Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to get Voidpet Dungeon referral codes. All right, let's begin. First, open Voidpet Dungeon and understand that referral codes come from other players in the community. Since the player base is large, there are many ways to find active codes. The best place to start is through official community channels like Discord or Reddit, where players regularly share referral codes. These communities help you find codes quickly. Inside the game, tap the top left menu and go to the info section to access links to Discord, Reddit, YouTube, and other platforms. Another option is asking friends who already play the game to share their referral codes directly. To enter a code, go to the referral section, tap refer a friend, then open help and select set who referred me. Paste the code correctly to receive rewards. So that's basically how you can get Void Pet Dungeon referral codes. That's it for this video. Thanks.